How to make your nails stronger with jelly glue. Step 1. Use jelly glue sticker kit. The kit include 10 sheet of jelly glue, 10 sheet of alcohol pads, nail files, cuticle pusher, and nail sticks. Step 2. Trim your nails to the appropriate length. Step 3. Measure the appropriate false nails and jelly glue. Then arrange them in order. Step 4. Use the file and file the nails. Push cuticles back and trim. Wipe nails clean with the alcohol pad. Step 5. Select the jelly tape according to the fit artificial nails. Align it with the nails. Place it 1 millimeter away from the cuticle. Make sure the jelly glue is completely attached to the nails. Use a nail stick to press it tightly to expel the air. Remove the jelly stickers. Select the nails in order, and then press down at a 45-degree angle. Keep hold press for 30 seconds. Do not touch water within 1 hour. You will get a pair of strong and beautiful press-on nail.